On 2nd of August, around 5 p.m. early evening, it was reported that 3 prisoners from Diphu District Jail escaped the detention cell. This had created bewilderment among the concerned authority and the citizens of the region. Reports says that the incident had taken place when 5 of the prisoners was tested positive for COVID-19 and were kept isolated in one cell for quarantine purpose. The prisoners dismantled the ventilator's grill and 3 of them managed to escape from the detention cell. But it is a matter of great concern that despite the jail is equipped with huge boundary wall, how did the prisoners manage to escape from the prison? The 3 prisoners who managed to escape the detention cell were identified as Ainul Ali, convicted for thief, Ajmer, convicted for drugs-related purpose by narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, and Idris Ali, convicted for drugs-related purpose by narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. Police department are engaged in the search operation, but so far, the police are unable to trace their whereabouts. NewsX report for Carbine Online.